confidence is showing up as strong, powerful, and as big time as my brows. So when I'm feeling more bold and glam, I like a really strong, really sculpted, big time brow. And then days like today, I just want my natural brows to get a little extra help. So I love the Rodan Fields Brow Defining Boost. There are no extra tools, no extra steps, all in this tube. As you brush, you are actually nourishing your natural brows. So they look great even without any makeup, which is amazing. You just brush up and out like so. And then the thinner part of the wand is used to add definition to the tail here, where I know a lot of us need a little extra loving. I know I do. That is it. We are good to go. Look at that.